Hi guys! So today I'm gonna show you how I make one of the awesome how you make a thumbnail on YouTube if any of you are content creators. So you go all the way down till you see something called thumbnail, and I'm not seeing it. Ugh. I think I missed it. I keep missing thumbnails. Where are you, thumbnail? Oh, good. There it is. More options. It just did this to me once today. Okay, that was yesterday. Open. Please be 2 MB. Please be 2 MB. Yes! Save. And that's how you make it. It's that easy. Like, you thought I was gonna give you a big set. And also, sorry I haven't added anything to the channel really. I've just been writing my book. And these are all the thumbnails. Oh yeah, this draft needs to go. Delete forever. Bye-bye. Cool. Learn a language. That's why I make that's how I make all these cool thumbnails from great. From Nightcat, The Rise of the Secret Squad, to Prodigy, to Epic Coding. Well, bro, that was what ChatGPT said. I was like, design a mysterious and epic thumbnail for learning for coding on Scratch, and it literally was like epic coding. ChatGPT is so bad. Learn a language. Duolingo is like looking like, bruh, come to me. Come on to me, Bye. Bye. I had to go through a lot of drama to just get over here. Search across your channel? I don't want to. Okay, yeah, but bye guys, and I'll see you soon. And what Kitty's doing, she's just talking to the secret squad on my phone. Guess what? It's not a real phone. It's not one. Bye guys.